What's up, Apple? All right, guys, we're going to have a look at Apple in this video. Man, Apple's looking strong, isn't it? Guys, do not place trade based on what you're seeing in this video. Trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. And this is just educational only. Guys, first thing in the description, learn the 7 steps to becoming a successful trader in the market. Let's get straight into it, guys. The reason I'm doing Apple here is because I've been noticing when I'm doing my trading is what is Apple doing? Apple is just, look how strong Apple's holding. The whole market's fallen to pieces. Silver, gold, the miners, the Dow Jones, the Nasdaq, and Russell, and everything's been just breaking down. And look at this is the last couple of months on Apple. Apple's just steaming on up, right? It's just crazy. If I go to my weekly chart here and look at my short-term weekly chart, look what's happening here. Right, let me actually bring this over here for a little bit more. This is just a nice pullback, right? Apple doesn't look weak at all. This is just crazy. The overall, they say how goes Apple, how goes the stock market? Crap. What a lot of crap that is, right? As you can see, it's basically high, low, and we're just holding here really strong. This is really weird to see how strong Apple is, but everything else, if you look at a lot of the Netflix and Amazon and stuff like that, they're just getting creamed right now. You know what I mean? If I go back and I see especially today, or especially the close of the market there, yeah, there's just a lot of weakness in the market. But now Apple's holding up really strong right now. We're actually slowly coming down to this trend line here. If I bring up my more of a longer term view on Apple, this is what Apple's doing: higher low, and higher low. So it's really interesting to see what's happening here with Apple. What do you guys think about what's happening with Apple right now? It's one of the biggest companies, most profitable companies out there, and it's just holding strong. It's not even being affected by this market right now, which is really interesting. What do you guys think that's going to happen with Apple? Do you think Apple's going to catch up to the markets, or do you think the market's going to start to bounce here and then Apple's going to make a new high? Let me know what you think in the chat box below. After being mentored by 4 different 7-figure traders, I've realized they all have some things in common that actually help them do really well in the markets. So I'm actually putting on a free training where I'm going to walk you through the 7 simple but powerful universal laws to becoming a consistent profitable trader while achieving a very high success rate without spending 13 years trying to figure it all out. Plus, I'm going to walk you through the absolute details of my #1 trading system that I trade every single day. The very first link in the description, click on that and you'll be able to go check it all out and be able to go see this free training. And I'm going to walk you through every single detail of these 7 universal laws so you too can start to have the odds on your side. So go do that right now and I'll see you on the next page.